welcome back to my YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm walking in my house. And I'm gonna home tour you in my house. But this is my house first. This is not our house, this is a part of it. Then, what is that? What? Oh my goodness! You give me money, but it's only 12. Let's go buy. Come here. Let's go buy in there. We're going buying there. There in the thing. Come here. No. Come here because no one is listening. Come here because no one is listening. This is our world in my house. This is my world in my house. That house. This is our Pentagon, but I don't know. But it's not our Pentagon now. If I got back in my house, and here's the one who got back. What is that, B? That is a butterfly. Do you make it? Okay, let's go. I don't know. Hello. We're gonna buy.
Bless. Isa man.
Yes ka.
Hmm?
May lollipop.
Na.
Duha ka buok.
Wala na itang dos.
Oh, hana lang. Duha ka buok lang. Gonna buy the lollipop. Ha?
Sino kanta-kanta to?
Ako mama, og mga friend niya. Duha lang. Hanggat lang. Tayod siguro to.
Ha?
Tayod. Huwag ko kaila.
O, unsa pa man ang dos?
Mentos lang, mentos.
Isa man.
Finish the night.
Hi, Nay. Oh, ay, palagi mo kapalit.
May nanila lang, Ashley na
Ha?
Ashley, may nanila lang.
Come here, let's go.
Ikaw na, ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Ay!
Ay!
This is mentos. This is another color. It's not blue. Then go there because it's pink. That is pink. We already eat it. And this is the lollipop. And this is the lollipop. Yummy. And my little sister is so happy because she heard that. Happy bee? Daisy, are you happy? Yes. Lako kayo po. I'm going back home. Is that? It is an arrow, but not sharp enough. A play arrow. And this is the Mentos. I open it. By my one hand. Happy to me. $5.99. Oh, not $5.59. Popin mama ka. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna home tour you. The house. And this is the one. I don't know. There's a living room. And this is a bed. And this door is This is our kitchen. Our bathroom in there. That's all for. And upstairs there's more room there. One room. I'm going back outside because it's so boring outside. Bye guys. Bye guys. Peace out. Peace out.